everyone, I'm Laura. Today I would like to talk to you about a recurring problem that I noticed with students, whether I'm working with young learners or adults. So I thought I would address this in the video today. I'm talking about the difference between there, and there. These three words are homophones, which means that they sound the same, but they have different spellings and meanings. And they're not interchangeable. It's actually a big mistake, so if you are taking a test, don't think you can get away with it. And that's because they're used in very different sentences. Let's get started. First, with there, as it might be the one you're most familiar with. So there is actually the contraction of the personal subject pronoun they plus the verb be in its simple present plural form are. So let's break it down. A subject pronoun is a pronoun that indicates who or what is doing the action in a sentence. They is the plural pronoun used to designate two or more people, animals, or things. Let's quickly check this chart of subject pronouns. The is the contraction of are. A contraction is used to shorten a word or phrase, because that's just something we do a lot in English. We contract a word by using what we call an apostrophe and removing part of the word. But we're not going to dwell on this in this video. Here is another chart on the different forms of the verb to be in the simple present tense. So let's use it in a sentence. They're my friends. The people I am talking about are my friends. They are my friends. They're going to the shopping mall this weekend. They are going to the shopping mall this weekend. A contraction makes a sentence sound more natural. What about this sentence? Can we use there? No. We need to use this there. There is the possessive adjective used to designate something that belongs to two or more people, animals, or things. It is used before the noun it qualifies. In the sentence, their car is in the driveway. There refers to the fact that the car, which is a noun, belongs to these people. Let's take a look at the chart for possessive adjectives. Let's make a sentence. Kate and John had a bit of a scare at the airport. A woman mistakenly took their bag. The bag that belongs to Kate and John was taken by someone else. Let's try this sentence. Can we use there? No. We need to use this there. There can be a demonstrative pronoun such as this, that, these. There can be singular, there is, or plural, there are. Let's make a sentence. There is a pencil on the table. In this sentence, we indicate that we see something on the table, and that thing is a pencil. There are many countries in the world I haven't been to. In this sentence, we indicate that I have never been to many of the countries in this world. I have been to some of them, but not all. There can also be considered an adverb when it modifies the verb. In this sentence, look over there. You're telling a person where to look. Not here, but away from us. Look over there. Now let's practice. Which one should we use? I don't think there's any more milk in the fridge. We need to buy some more. Remember that they is a plural pronoun, so we cannot use it with is, which is the singular for be. And there comes before a noun, not a verb. Next sentence. They're coming to the birthday party. My friends are coming to the birthday party. Next. They bring their lunch to school every day. Whose lunch? Their lunch. On a side note, I often hear students mispronounce they and their. They is the long sound A, where there is the R-controlled vowel sound air. They, their. If you would like to learn more about phonics and spelling, please check my series titled Phonics for Beginners in the description below. That's it for today. I hope this was helpful. As always, keep practicing. I will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.